If you want to vote on the stkBNB gauge using StakeDao, go to StakeDao.org and click on the Vote Market. Connect to your wallet on the Binance Smart Chain and make sure to select PancakeSwap from the drop-down menu. Use the search bar to find the stkBNB pool and click on the Vote button on the right. You'll be redirected to PancakeSwap where you can find all gauges. Scroll down to the My Votes section and click on Add Gauges to find the stkBNB gauge. Click on the plus sign and close it off by hitting the Finish button. Enter the percentage of all your remaining cake that you want to use to vote on the gauge and click on Submit Vote. Approve the transaction in your wallet and wait for it to process. And that's it! You have now successfully voted for the stkBNB gauge. To vote on the gauge using Cakepie, you need to go to the Cakepie page or magpiexyz.io. Make sure Pancake is selected and you've connected the wallet of your choice. Head over to the Bribe tab in the menu and scroll down to find the stkBNB pool. Open the tab to get more information and fill out the percentage of your votes you wish to use for voting on the pool. Once you are happy with your input, scroll down to review your changes and click Update Votes to finalize. Approve the transaction in your wallet. Wait for it to process. And done! You've successfully voted for the stkBNB gauge.